Dear students, welcome back to the physics class. Today we will discuss a numerical related to convex mirror. Okay, now here is the question. An object 5 cm high is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the nature, position and size of image. Okay, now what we have? Object 5 cm high. That is size of object. H1 is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. That is position of object. U is equal to 10 centimeter. Now, we know that we always put our object in the left side of the mirror. Okay, in front of the mirror. And using sign convention, we always take it minus sign. Okay, U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Next is convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Radius of curvature is given 30 centimeter. Now remember one thing, we always take radius of curvature positive in case of convex mirror. Okay, R is equal to plus 30 centimeter. Then we can easily find the value of focal length, because F is equal to R by 2. Focal length is half of the radius of curvature. That is 30 by 2. That is 15 centimeter. Now we have the value of U, the value of F. Okay, so and we are talking about convex mirror, so we can use mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. That is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. We have the value of U minus 10 centimeter. Minus 10 is equal to 1 upon F is equal to 15. Okay, now here plus 1 upon minus 10. We can write it minus 1 upon 10. Okay, minus 1 upon 10. 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 15. This minus becomes plus when we take it from left to right side. Now, take LCM 30. Now 15 2 ja 30 plus 10 3 ja 30. That is 5 upon 30. That is 1 by 6. This is the value of 1 upon V. So reciprocal V is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 6. So reciprocal V is equal to 6 centimeter. Now V comes plus 6. Okay, plus 6 means image will form behind the mirror. Okay, image will form behind the mirror. Okay, if V comes minus 6, then image will form in front of the mirror. But here in this case, V is equal to plus 6 centimeter. That means image will form behind the convex mirror. Okay, now this is the position of image. Okay, we have to find out three things: nature, position and size of image. Here we find the position of the image. Now use magnification formula. We know in case of mirror, M is equal to minus V upon U. That is minus, the value of V is 6, minus 6 upon, the value of U is minus 10. Minus minus becomes plus, we get 6 by 10, that is 0.6 plus 0.6. Okay, magnification M is equal to plus 0.6. Now plus sign plus sign denotes that, plus sign represent that image will be virtual and erect. Okay, this represent, plus sign represent image is virtual and erect, and 0.6, that is less than 1. Okay, 0.6 number is less than 1, and when magnification is less than 1, that it represents that image is diminished. Okay, okay, plus sign represent that, plus sign of the magnification represent that image is virtual and erect, and this number is less than 1, which implies that image is diminished. Okay, this is the nature of the image. Now let's talk about size of the image. Again we use magnification formula, m is equal to h2 upon h1, size of image upon size of object. Now we have the value of m, that is 0.6, is equal to h2 upon h1. h1 is equal to 5. Now by simplification we get 0.6 into 5. Okay, by cross multiplying, h2 is equal to 0.6 into 5, that is 3 centimeter. This is the size of the image. Now size of object is 5 centimeter, size of image is 3 centimeter, that means diminished. Okay, that is diminished image. This is the size of image. Okay, we already know that image is diminished, and here we have a proof that size of object is 5 centimeter and size of image is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this numerical is done. Thanks for watching.